I have decided what? I have decided to document my AI life. The life that I have been living for the last 8 or 10 months. I've explored many of the areas, okay, and please don't think me as some sort of AI, that guy who knows how this LLM work. And no, I'm not that guy. But to give me, to give you, obviously, to give you guys an overview of what I am is that I'm a very curious person that is very eager to contribute to this massive change that humanity is witnessing right now. I somehow want to contribute to this, but at the same time, I don't have that skill set, I don't have that knowledge, nor do I have the experience. I don't have, to be very honest, I don't have that core knowledge of data science, machine learning, deep learning, but I'm very curious about it, and I have to. It's like I want to get deeper in it. Okay, I want to solve ground problems with it. Now, what are ground problems? Okay, so the thing is that what I have observed a disparity between, let's say, maybe some tech giants in the US, or some of the tech giants in India. But when I am at the ground level means actually on the streets or on the shops, or even I work at an IT company, but still there is not that much awareness about generative AI or AI in general. Obviously it is increasing at a very exponential rate, but still there are some problems which are which are easily which can be easily tackled using generative AI, but they are not being tackled, and people are still, following their mundane, not mundane, I don't know, people are still following uh, uh, their traditional methods and their traditional routes to do things. That is what I want to change. Okay, and that's why where I think that the people like us will play an important role. The people like us will be, I, I, I like to call them as AI enablers. Okay, AI enablers on the ground. That will, that, let's say this group of people, or if I am able to achieve this, then we will have this massive awareness about generative AI at the ground level also. The thing is why I have such point is because OpenAI, Google, Google's DeepMind, Anthropic, any of the LLM companies, or any of the big sort of AI companies, they have this, they have created the LLM models, they have created the generative AI, they are still working on it, on how to make it more accurate, more precise, more capable of achieving the human abilities. But that is being done at that stage. At the ground level, there is still a lot of, people are following same things, they are doing the same copy paste, they are doing the same sort of, which I think is, it should not be, because that is just what can I say, that is just devaluing these inventions by these companies or what, or any sort of guy. Okay, any technology is useful only when it comes handy and people find useful in their day to day life. So that is why I want to enable generative AI at the ground, on the ground, sorry for being for grammatically wrong, or any sort of Indian accent, or any sort of, I don't know, for fluency mistakes, I don't know, but I'm just doing this. The only thing that I want, that I have in this mind, okay, that I have this in this, is I want to enable AI on the ground, in shops, or in companies, or low level companies, mid level companies, or any sort of thing. So that is what I want to do. Along with this, I have some different route also that I want to take. I'll be educating myself of how this LLMs or any sort of thing works. Okay, it will, and I'm really curious about it. Go through I did went into that direction in past. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 months back, but somehow it didn't got completed. But yeah, I'll be heading towards that direction also. I'll be, live streaming it, making some videos about it, of what I understood, that can be helpful to some, novice beginner, okay, same as me. So that I'll be doing. Second thing, so that this was the second thing. The third thing was, I'll be sharing and, trying different models, that just keep releasing, day by day, different models, different tools. Okay, yeah. So, and I have already dived deeper in this flux and stable diffusion, in sort of image generation and video generation models. So yeah, last 4 or 5 months I was very deep in it. I learned Comfy UI and all those, LoRa trainings and all of that. So yeah, it was good. It was a very, I would say, uh, knowledge intensive experience. Okay, I got to learn a lot about that. Okay, so yeah, in short, I'll be doing this is my introductory video, and from tomorrow I'll just record myself, we'll talk it out, like maybe more of in a log wise manner. Okay, where we can just talk it, and I'll tell you what are the updates, and what I'm working on daily. I'll be posting daily for the next 100 days. Okay, so this is, can we count it as day 1? No, day 0. Yes, baby, this is day 0. Okay, bro. Yeah, I'm not going to edit any single part of it. No, this is me, and this is what I want.